Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at GameStop. GameStop is a stock which is up by 2.6% today. Very good, very nice to see. We're asking the question in tonight's video as to where do we go from here, especially given the context of everything that we have been seeing. We'll be discussing that and more over the course of this episode. If it sounds good, as always, make sure please to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. I'd also like to remind you that I am not a financial advisor, and this content and none of the videos that you see here or on Patreon are financial advice. That actually does nicely bring me onto Patreon, a page that I've recently just launched. I've produced 2 pieces of content for you guys today already, including 4 of the stocks that I'm paying attention to, one of which I think has potential to go up by 10 times, and another one that another article that I've produced showing you some of the most important things that I'm considering this week in the markets. I think there's a lot of value for the price that you get. I think you get a lot of content, a lot of good content too. Link is down in the description. Anyway, now that I've said that, we might as well jump straight into the video. Let's have a look at what we are seeing here for the stock over the last couple of days. And you have a look and you see how things are moving. I think things are looking very good. I think, given the context of everything, and this actually translates very nicely on the more simple, you're seeing this stock continue to move up. You're seeing this push up really continue, and you've seen the stock now coming up to levels historically which have mattered quite a lot. Now for this we might need to zoom out to the 6-month chart, something like that, and you're seeing the stock where we are now, which is represented by the purple and blue line that you're seeing. Let's come across, right? You're coming up now to levels of historical strength. Now, this is going to be a significant thing to watch out for, because we've seen this range that we're at 2680. This has been, or around this point, has been both a historical support and a resistance. You go back down to 672s, we've got a lot of strength there. You are seeing this on the chart both here when you look at this, and also way back here. 670, 672 is a level to watch out for. Now, to the upside, you're looking at 685 being a level where the same thing has happened. Again, a lot of difficulty breaking through this point. From there, you could be looking to retest 2687, and then you're looking to go on potentially to 27 and beyond from there. I think that's going to be the next level to watch out for, up to 27. I do think it is possible as we are very close. From there, you're looking to potentially test the 2718 mark for a run even higher. But there's some of the key levels that I'm looking for the potential of this push. Now, in terms of what we're seeing in a bit more of a close context, and for this I want to actually come out here to the 5-day chart. So we're seeing this one holding up really nicely. In the short term, we're seeing a lot of things happening. And actually come out to the 1 month and you're seeing this, right? Today has obviously sparked indicators a bit further. RSI is climbing higher, but we had that time to cool off. We've had that very nicely. And again, you're seeing the stock find those support levels round about 2678. You're seeing it find those support levels down at 2670. But again, 2678, 2680 is a level that we want to see hold up. So going forwards into tomorrow, we don't want to drop much lower, especially then this 2670 mark. I think that's going to be absolutely critical. In terms of moving upwards, you're looking initially to break, like I say, into the $27 mark. I think it really is that simple. I think that what we're seeing right here with GameStop stock is impressive. I think long term the stock does have a lot of potential, as I've said many a time. I think things for the company are looking good. I think things for the stock are looking relatively okay. Again, if in the very long term we're not too overbought on the RSI, but again, I'd love to hear what you guys think. There's some of the key levels that I'm looking for. As you guys know, I like to give you the key levels so that you can go on to make your own opinions based on what we're seeing. And again, if you want to see more in-depth videos, you can find them on Patreon. Link is in the description. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, On these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.